Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Polkadex, a great project that I've been requested a couple of times to take a look at, and finally I am going to do just that in this video. So nothing in this video is financial advice. You should always do your research before investing money into crypto. So I also want to say a huge thank you to all of you guys for the support, for subscribing and joining the Telegram chat. It really does support the channel, and thank you for donating as well. Now, to start off this project, I really didn't know about this, but I've been hearing people talk about it here and there, and tonight I took a look at it and it's really incredible. So basically, this is a decentralized exchange built on Polkadot, and anything built on the Polkadot ecosystem is automatically bullish for me. I don't know, what about you? Now let's jump into CoinMarketCap. All right, so let's see. 20 million coins in max supply, total supply around 2 million coins. Basically, 10% is out in circulation. So $37 million is the current market cap. And it is low cap. This is a low cap gem in my opinion, guys. So jump on this train before it is too late. But this is not a financial advice. We haven't even had the testnet yet. No, we did have the testnet. I do apologize, and we're getting the testnet 3.0, I believe, somewhere in June, and we're having the mainnet at the end of September. Now, let's take a look at the chart. So the day it was added to KuCoin, it peaked at almost $10,000, which is crazy because now it is trading at $19. And imagine those people who bought over here. I don't know if there were any people, but probably there were some people who bought in at these huge peak prices. And they're going to be waiting for a long, long time, guys, before they get their money back. Let me tell you that. But let's check what exchanges have this project. So obviously KuCoin, Uniswap, Gate.io, pretty much these are the top 3 exchanges you can get them on. Obviously, I would recommend KuCoin because you don't need no KYC, and it is just a lot better than Binance in my opinion, a lot less laggy. But Uniswap fees are okay right now, so I guess you could get it on Uniswap as well. So yeah, that is it for the CoinMarketCap. And yeah, let's jump into their website. As you can see on CoinMarketCap, here are the websites. You can jump into the websites of the projects that you're taking a look at. So they do have a Telegram over here, and you can join that as well. So they do have their testnet coming very soon. The trading engine for Web3 and DeFi. Polkadex is a fully decentralized peer-to-peer order book based cryptocurrency exchange for the DeFi ecosystem built on Substrate. Now let's take a look at their website. I really like this pinkish touch on the website and on the Polkadot ecosystem in general, because I really like in color. What can I say? But not about that. Let's see what they have. So register multiple hot wallets, connect hot wallets based on browser extensions, mobile phones or iPads, and add on-chain trading bots to automate trading with your funds. So that is great. Delegate your assets to third parties. Manage your assets with Polkadex, order book, and delegate them to third parties. Make profits through algorithmic trading while still keeping control of your crypto assets. And here we have keep your assets safe and secure. Leave your assets on the exchange without worrying about hacks, and save on transaction fees for moving your funds in and out every time you want to trade. So this is a lot safer than keeping your money on a centralized exchange like Binance, because there are, hacks are possible for these big trading platforms. Now, let's see. So they say that they are the future of decentralized trading. So they're kind of a competitor for Orion Protocol, which I'm very bullish on, but this doesn't mean that I'm against Polkadex. I'm for all of crypto. I want all cryptocurrencies and projects to succeed. So I'm not salty if I'm not going to be salty if this project does better, because I'm going to invest in this project. But this is not financial advice. Take a look at this project, learn about it, and only invest if you believe in it for the long term. So, trustless cross chain transfers. Trustless cross chain bridges help to bring any blockchain token to Polkadex in a non custodial and trustless manner. It functions through Parachain with Polkadot network and Snowfork with Ethereum network. So basically, it works with Ethereum as well, bridging towards other blockchains. Polkadex is built for the future, making it possible to integrate with other liquidity providers using forkless upgrades. We do not have access to user funds or smart contract keys. So this is a very secure and a very private exchange, and that is great. Once Polkadex becomes a parachain, it will be able to connect to any other parachain and Polkadot network itself to share assets in a trustless way. Polkadex will also get you the ability to bring assets from Ethereum to Polkadex, so that is great. Bridging to Ethereum, some info about the bots. You have to get onto this website and just take a look for yourself, because there's a lot of information and I'm not going to be able to get it all into this one little video, because I don't want to bore you guys. I don't want to give you a lot of information that you don't need at this moment, but you have to take a look at this project. So yeah, this is what I wanted to talk about. So they have 500,000 transactions per second, which is incredible. As you can see, you do have comparisons to Bitcoin, Ethereum, PayPal, and Visa with 500 transactions per second. I do believe Solana is doing something like 250,000. I'm not sure. I'll have to double check that, but 500,000 is pretty impressive. We'll have to see. We'll have to see how this project does when the mainnet launches. So, talking about their features, so Polkadex NFTs, and they have a new token generation. Tokens generated in Polkadex have native support for cross-chain transfers to other parachains and networks connected to our ecosystem. So this is great in itself. High liquidity. Polkadex enables institutional liquidity on the platform with the help of a decentralized KYC system. For those who don't know, KYC stands for Know Your Client. Basically, that is when you register and you have to go through a KYC registration type of thing, where you have to take a photo, a picture of your passport, and a picture of yourself for the exchange to confirm your identity, basically. So Polkadex Fiat. Polkadex supports fiat currencies in the Polkadex order book. Traders can easily use a credit card to buy crypto. So yeah, this is great. This is great. High frequency trading. Polkadex can connect to all the favorite trading bots of the community, seamlessly enabling users to implement multiple trading strategies. So there's a lot of good stuff in this project, and yeah, here you can see some of their investors. Here is the team. Look up the teams on Twitter. Look what they're doing, and I do lastly want to take a look at the roadmap. So testnet 3.0 coming in June. July, we have the security audit. And September, we have parachain development, Polkadot crowdfunding, parachain auction, and finally the mainnet launch. And for 2022, they do have margin lending futures option and a people consensus upgrade. So yeah, look what they've done already since 2020. They do have a white paper. Go through that. And yeah, this is pretty much it for the website. It's really good. I'm gonna jump into KuCoin on the 4 hourly. Let's jump into there and let's see how we're doing. So yeah, as you can see, we peaked out at around $10,000. So if anyone was able to snatch and sell, you know, these tokens on such high prices, then kudos to you, great. But right now, what we're doing, as you can see, we have this symmetrical triangle. And if we lose this as support, then we can start coming back down. And we have this support level over here and this support level over here. I will give you these prices. So that would be around $14, and the next support would be at $12.67. So keep that in mind. We're making a bearish cross over here on the 4-hourly. The 20 EMA is crossing below the red line, which is the 55 EMA. And as you can see over here, we were very overextended. So we broke down and we are in this symmetrical triangle right now. And let's see how well we can do if we break out. So from where the triangle was formed to the very bottom. And if we break out anywhere around here, that would give us a $34.7 price. And if we end up breaking down, let's say somewhere around, because we usually get closer to the apex of the triangle before we get a move. So that's why I'm having this line as somewhere below. And if we do break down, then that gives us a pretty much a $9 price. And we'll see if this plays out. I'm giving you both options, but regardless of what it does, this is a great project to accumulate because we only have 20 million coins in circulation. Once the project gains attraction and people find out about this, and once it finally launches on Binance, I think it will skyrocket. So I'm giving you a heads up, guys. Search it up. It is kind of oversold right now on the 4-hourly, so perhaps we're going to break down because of the bearish cross, and on the RSI we're not looking very good, but we'll see. Regardless, I will get into this project, and I'm going to be accumulating for the long term, guys, because you need to get into these projects early. But that is it for this video. Don't want to ramble on for too long. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.